Whether you are applying to a language program or degree program, the first hurdle is the same, document review. One tiny typo, one missing stamp, and the system will kick your application right back. For degree programs, there are 3 more hoops to jump through. Live interviews. Expect 3 professors, 10 minutes, and a camera pointed at you. Common questions include, tell us about yourself. Why this major? Why China? And don't be surprised by a curveball like, describe your favorite failure. Subject tests. This could be in Chinese, English, math, or physics. Top schools often write their own exams, so those old SAT notes won't help here. Supervisor. Some undergraduate programs require you to find a mentor for your academic studies. So let's pack your playbook with these must-dos. Documents. Follow each university's checklist exactly. Some papers need both the original or Chinese or English translation, certificated or notarized. And rewrite your study plan for every application. Never copy past lines like I love robotics. Telling Tsinghua University the same reason you give Peking University is a surefire way to get rejected. Interview. Script a 60-second self-introduction that covers who you are, what you've studied, why you want this major at this school, and what challenges you are ready to tackle. Practice saying it out loud until it feels as easy as ordering coffee. And smile to cameras make nervousness look 10 times worse. Exams. Let's be real. Chinese university entry exams are tough. The written test is the same for everyone, even if your high school taught different material. To prepare, download the syllabus and the sample papers from the program's website. Walk through all the past papers. This will help you evaluate whether you are a good fit or if another university program might be better. And remember, cramming the night before does not help much. Supervisor. If you need a mentor, check the school's faculty page, read their recent papers, and send a clear email. Introduce yourself, list your qualifications, mention what you admire about their work, and explain what you want to study. Nail these 4 steps, and those admission gates will swing open. No dragons included. Close your laptop, set your alarm, and start daydream about camp's Chinese noodles. Your playbook just become your golden ticket.
就算惨遭失败也是一种经历，别怕，就算分别以后也有机会相遇，别怕，就算乌云还一直盘旋在头顶，也总有一天能放晴。希望你被这个世界爱着，希望你笑了是真的快乐，希望